Okay, now students, let's start the lecture. Today we are going to discuss numerical problems of chapter number 10. Okay, then I'm moving towards first numerical, and I want your help. Yes, any one of you. Yes, please. I want to talk to Anas Faisal. Yes, Anas from 10C. Anas from 10C, I want your help. Anas Faisal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Help me to solve the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now read the question. But keep in your mind, you have to read the lines of numericals one by one so that we are able to write the data properly. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Janab. Okay, now moving further. Read the numerical.
The time period of a simple pendulum is 2s. T is
2s
equals
means
to
what?
2s.
2s means what?
So means time जो है वो 2 seconds है, तो T is
2
equals to
second.
2 seconds.
It means that s is representing seconds. Okay, so the time period of
Yes.
simple pendulum is 2 seconds. Okay, then tell me what is the symbol of time period?
Time period symbol is small t.
Small t or capital T?
No, capital T.
Capital
Sorry.
T. Recall your memory, beta. Okay, okay. Now I am telling you again that if the term is time period, so we will represent time period with capital T always. And if they are talking about total time duration, so you will represent with a small t. So that's why I'm writing here capital T is equals to 2 seconds. Okay, then tell me further.
Miss, sir हमें यहाँ यानी इसकी जैसे it is required. What will be its length on the earth? It is
Okay, now
required.
they are asking, okay. Now they are asking, this is our requirement that we have to find the length of simple pendulum system on earth and what will be
Yes.
its length on the moon as well. Okay, so it means that we have
Yes.
to find two factors. We have to find length on earth and on moon as well. Okay, it means that the systems are changed now. Systems are changed.
Yes.
Okay, then tell me what is further given in question? Yes, please.
What will be its length on the moon?
Okay.
If gm is equals to ge upon 6.
Okay, then
So
tell me what
gm
is this GM is equals to GE by 6?
gm is moon की वो एक second.
Yes, please. Beta, this is your learning phase, so no need to confuse. If you know anything about it, if it is wrong and if it is okay, then you may say. Share with me. Yes, please.
gm is gravity of moon.
GM is gravitational acceleration on moon. Further, this is
Acceleration
not gravity. This is gravitational acceleration on moon.
gravitational acceleration of moon, and
Then
g is gravitational acceleration of earth
Okay, it
upon
means
6.
that it is cleared by the formula that gravitational acceleration on moon is equal to gravitational acceleration on earth by 6. Okay, it is decreasing 6 times. Okay, on moon the gravitational acceleration on moon is decreasing 6 times as compared to gravitational acceleration on earth. So we are
Yes.
writing the formula here, and after that we are noting the same value. We are writing g is equals to 10 meter per second square. As we know that the value of gravitational acceleration on earth is equals to 10 meter per second square. Okay, okay, then I'm moving
Yes.
further. I am writing the formula as the value is given in numerical. Also that gm is equals to ge by 6. Then tell me further what I'm doing.
Now मिस अपनी यहाँ वैल्यू निकालिए ग्रेविटेशनल एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ मून की. अब हमें इसको सॉल्व करना है फॉर्मूला लगा.
Okay, then how we are solving it? I'm just putting here the value of GE.
वैल्यूज ऑफ
GE is equals to 10. Then 10 by
10
6 is equals to 1.67. Okay, then tell me what is the value of gravitational acceleration on moon? Yes, Anas?
what is moon 1.67 ms
Okay,
minus.
okay, thank you so much, Anas. Thank you so much, Anas. Okay, you cooperated well with me. Okay, thank you so much, beta. Okay, then I'm moving further. Yes, Abdul Zurez. Abdul Zurez. Yes, beta.
Yes, miss.
Chale janab. Okay, then help me to further solve the numerical. Yes, please. Tell me, is this our requirement? What I'm writing here, LELM. What is this?
LELM
Yes.
on Earth, like
Length of system on
length
Earth.
on
Length of system of simple pendulum on Earth.
Earth,
Okay.
length of Moon.
Length of
Length of
moon
system of
नहीं. This is length of simple pendulum on moon. ठीक है.
on
Okay.
Moon. How?
Now further, what we are doing in solution?
Miss pi की value put करेंगे 3.142.
Beta, first of all we are writing the formula. ठीक है. First of all we are writing the formula. Then we are squaring on both sides. Then we are squaring on both sides. Okay. Then tell me. Yes, Abdul Zurez, tell me why we are squaring on both sides. Yes, Abdul Zurez. I think so. Your mic is mute. Turning off. Yes, please, Rita.
Yes, miss.
Tell me why I am squaring on both sides.
समझ में नहीं आया.
मैंने कहा why I am squaring on both sides. क्यों स्क्वायर अप्लाई कर रही हूँ? रीजन.
रूट कैंसिल करना है ना मिस.
रूट कैंसिल करना है. ओके, रूट कैंसिल करके क्या होगा बेटा? What are
1 upon g आएगा सिर्फ.
1 upon, this is not 1 upon g, this is L. This is L over g. This is the length. As we know that the formula is g is equals to 2 by under root L over g. ठीक है. Okay, then see what I'm doing in next step. I'm just squaring on both sides. When I'm squaring on both sides, the final answer is t square is equals to 4 pi square L over g. As we know that why we are doing this step, because we just want to remove the square root. ठीक है. Just want to remove the square root from length of the system, because here requirement is length of simple pendulum. Okay, then tell me what I'm doing in next step.
इस फॉर्मूले को डिराइव किया हमें लेंथ फाइंड करने को लेंथ को उधर लेगा.
Very good. Okay, very good. So it means that when g is moving on other side, so it will multiply with time square, and 4 pi square is multiplying over here. When it will move on the other side, then it will divide with the term. So this is our derived final formula. Then I'm moving further. I'm putting all values in it. And when we are putting values, g is equals to 10, time equals to 2, 4, and the value of pi is 3.142. When we are solving, yaad rakhiyega, you have to put all the values once. You have, and after that you have to calculate all the values by your calculator once. No need to calculate values again and again. It will more difficult for you. Okay, so you have to put all the values once, and you have to solve all the values by your calculator once. So we have final answer. Look at the answer. The final answer is 1.02 meter. So the length of the system of simple pendulum on Earth is equals to 1.02 meter. Okay, okay, then tell me what I'm doing in next step.
Same formula apply किया, बस वो length of the system of the moon क्या है?
Okay, the same formula is applying here, but the scenario is different. Now here we are writing the terms with respect to moon. Okay, then I'm putting the values. Okay, then tell me what is the change value here?
Miss
G key value. Okay, in the above equation the value was 10. Okay, right now it is 1.67. Okay, when we are putting 1.67, then the value is, there is a drastic change in it, and the value of length of simple pendulum is equals to 0.17 meter. Is it okay, Abdul Zurez?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, okay, Janab, chale. Okay, then I'm moving further, moving towards the next numerical. Okay, thank you so much, Abdul Zurez. Now I want to discuss with, I don't know who is this Umar Khan in my class, but I'm requesting to all of you, if you are joining my class, then please write your class section and your ID number as well. Okay, go and rearrange your name. Okay, I am telling you again that you have to write your number with your class section and ID number, then you write Umar Khan. Okay, so manage your name. Okay then. Yes, please. Now I am moving towards Yazaki Amjad from 10th A. Yazaki. Zaki Amjad from 10th A.
Yes, miss.
Okay,
yes,
beta. Okay, beta. Help me to solve next numerical. Okay, then tell me what is the next one? I think so your mic is mute. Beta, turn on your mic. Zaki. Yes, please, beta. Turn on your mic.
Yes, miss.
Shalinana, thank you so much. Okay, then, beta. Tell me what is written in front of you.
A pendulum of length 0.99 meters is taken to move to the moon.
is taken to the moon.
uh,
Okay, then we have
by
to
an
write what?
astronaut.
Okay, then tell me we have to write what in
Miss,
data?
length of pendulum is equal
Length.
to
Okay,
0.99.
very good. It means that the symbol of length is L, capital L is equals to 0.99 meter. Then tell me further.
The period of the pendulum is 4.9 seconds.
ठीक
The
है, as we
time is
know
equal
that.
to 9 seconds.
Okay,
4.9.
capital T, time is equals to 4.9 seconds. Okay, further.
What is the value of G on the surface of the moon?
Okay, now look at further. This is our requirement. We have to find the G. Okay, this is solution. We are writing the same formula as well. Then further.
Squaring on both sides.
Should we square on both sides? What is our requirement?
Yes, miss, we want G.
We want G. That's why we want to take out G from the square root. That's why we are applying square root on both sides. When we are applying square root on both sides, so this is the final result. And after
Yes.
that, when we are putting all the values in it, so this is our final answer. Okay, Zaki, is there any problem in it? Okay, then
No,
tell
miss.
me why. Okay, now tell me why I am writing 3.142 square.
Miss, क्योंकि miss, miss 1 second.
Yes, please, Zaki.
मिस क्योंकि जब हम स्क्वायर रूट लगाए तो फिर स्क्वायर से तो वो रूट कैंसिल हो गया, लेकिन
Okay.
4 पाई स्क्वायर हो जाएगा.
What is this pi? What is the value of pi?
मिस 22/7.
22 upon 7. When we will further solve it, then the answer is 3.142 by square. Okay, then.
Yes, miss.
Okay, then it means that the final answer is 1.65 meter per second square. If the length of the system is 0.99 meter and the time period of the system is 4.9 seconds, so it means that we are so the gravitational acceleration on the earth or anywhere is equals to 1.65 meter per second square. Okay, thank you so much, Zaki. Thank you so much for cooperating with me. Okay, then I'm moving further. I want to discuss with Maviz as well from 10th A. Yes, Maviz. Sharmeen, do you want to ask something? Please raise your hand, Sharmeen. Beta, do you want to ask something? Yes, Sharmeen.
नहीं मिस, मैं वो उसके लिए हैंड रेज किया था, वो पाई की वैल्यू बता रही थी.
Okay, Janab, thank you so much. Okay, Sharmeen. Now I'm moving further. I was going to discuss with Maviz as well. Yes, Maviz, unmute your mic. Turn on. Maviz Asghar. Better turn on your mic. Sure. Yes, Sharmeen. Again, the same person. Sharmeen, please help me to solve the question. Sharmeen. Yes, beta. Sharmeen. Beta, am I audible to you? Yes, Taskeen Zehra. I think so. Taskeen Zehra wants to solve the question. Yes, Taskeen. Taskeen, unmute your mic, beta.
Yes, miss.
Yes, beta. Help me to solve the question further. Okay, then.
Miss,
Okay, now this is the next question. 10 point.
Hello, miss.
Yes, beta. Beta, your sound is not proper. Join my class again. Taskeen, join my class again. Your sound is not proper. ठीक है जनाब. Okay, then I am moving towards Sharmeen. Okay, wait for a while. Yes, Sharmeen.
जी मिस.
Help me to solve this question. Okay, read this one.
Find the time period of a simple pendulum of 1 meter length.
Okay, now wait. Write the data accordingly. बल्कि बाद में लिखी हुई है, कोई बात नहीं. L is equals to 1 meter. Then what? Yes, Sharmeen.
मिस, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
मेरी आवाज आ रही है बेटा? आवाज आ रही है आपको मेरी? मेरी आवाज full है. This is 100% from my side. Yes, Sharmeen.
Yes, miss.
Yes, just tell me further.
Length of simple pendulum is 1 meter.
Yes.
उसके बाद
GE. We are doing the
miss,
beta same like question number 10.1. We have the value of GM. GM is equals to GE by 6. This is 10 by 6 is equals to 1.66 meter per second square. Is it?
yes, ma'am.
Challenge and art. Is there any confusion further? Sharmeen?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, then help me further to solve the question. What is our requirement?
Time
Time.
of
Time of
simple
system.
pendulum of Earth
Time of
and
time of simple pendulum on Earth. Time of simple pendulum on Moon. ठीक है?
moon. Yes,
ठीक है?
दो हैं.
So we have to find these two. Then tell me further. We have to
Ma'am.
should we use the same formula, beta?
Yes, miss.
Okay, because the reason is that we know that the time period of the simple pendulum is represented by the formula. This is T is equals to 2 pi under root L over G. Okay, this is the formula and I am writing it with respect to TE, with respect to the scenario of Earth. This is T is equals to 2 pi L over GE. Okay, janab, then further.
मैम उसके बाद पाई की वैल्यू लिखेंगे और
Okay.
GE की वैल्यू.
Okay, we are writing all the values. Then we have to find the time period. Then there is no need to further drive the formula. This is your final formula as well. Okay. So T is equals to 2 into 10 raised to 2 multiplied by 3.142 root 1 over 10. Okay. Now the final answer is 2 seconds. Okay. Then tell me what about the time period on Moon?
मैम सेम फॉर्मूला इस्तेमाल करेंगे.
Okay, we will use the
GE
same
की
formula.
जगह GM लगा
Very
देंगे.
good. Very good, Sharmeen. It means that we are using the same formula. Even all the values are same. But here we have a change value. This value is the value of GM, because we know that on the surface of Moon the value of G is equal to 1.66 or 1.67 approximately. So here we are using 1.66 and the final answer is 4.9 seconds. Okay, now if we are comparing between these two answers, so it means that on the moon, same system is taking more time as compared to on Earth. The reason is that because the gravitational pull of Earth is more as compared to Moon. Hopefully understood. Okay, Sharmeen, now it's okay. Chale janab. Sharmeen. Okay. Now it's okay, Sharmeen.
Yes, miss.
Okay, then I'm moving further. I want to discuss with any other one. Okay, now the next question is a simple pendulum completes one vibration. Then I'm moving towards, yes, who is raising hand? No, not always. Abdul Zurays. The skin Zara, but I don't know what's issue with your mic. Yes, accept my request, beta. The skin Zara.
Yes,
beta, you are audible to me. Say. You are audible to me. Say, what do you want to say? Yes, please.
Yes, miss.
Yes, please say. Then tell me, what is the next numerical? This is 10.4. Read the question.
10.4.
Yes, please. Hurry up, beta. Read the question.
Simple pendulum completes one vibration.
Beta, there is
2
issue.
seconds.
I think so. There is issue with your mic. There is issue with your mic. There is issue with your mic. Okay, then I am moving towards Basam Suhail. Yes, Basam. Basam Suhail, help me to solve the question, beta.
Yes, miss.
Thank you so much, beta. Okay, then tell me what have to write. क्या
A
लिखूं यहाँ
simple
पर?
pendulum completes one vibration in 2 seconds. Calculate its length.
Length.
Time 2 seconds.
Time to 2 seconds. Okay, why we are saying time 2 seconds? Because they are saying that the simple pendulum is completing one vibration in 2 seconds. So the time is 2 seconds. Okay, then tell me, what are you thinking about T equals to 2? Is this a special term? T equals to 2 seconds?
Yes.
Okay, then tell me, why it is special? We have discussed in our
Yeah.
previous lecture that if the time period is equals to 2 seconds, then what does it mean? It means that this is the system of second pendulum. Second pendulum, yaad rakhiyega, second pendulum is a system in which the time complete to one vibration taken by the system is equals to 2 seconds. That's why it is called second pendulum. Okay, okay, then moving further, g equals to 10 meter per second square. Okay, further, this is our requirement. Then tell me what we have to find. Yes,
Length.
Basam, length मालूम करना है g. आगे बढ़ती हूँ. Solution, we are using the same formula. Okay, then
Pi
Basam,
की
what
value लिखेंगे.
pi की value? Only the value of pi, or should we square on both sides?
Yes.
ठीक है, we have to square on both sides. The reason is that because we want to take out the term of L. ठीक है, so to get L, we are squaring on both sides. When we will square on both sides, so the final formula is L is equals to GT square over 4 pi square. Okay, now is it okay? Then tell me further, Basam.
Yes, miss.
Tell me further what we are doing. Yes, Basam, what we are doing in this step.
मिस हमने L की वैल्यू बाहर निकाली है स्क्वायर रूट खत्म करके और G की वैल्यू को लिख के
Further, then we will put the values once.
वो
We
पाई की
will
वैल्यू लिखी.
okay, we will write all the values once. Then we will calculate it by our scientific calculator. याद रखिएगा, you have to use your scientific calculator, and the final answer is L is equals to 1.02 meter. Beta, you can use ordinary calculator as well, but the requirement in your subject is that we mostly deal with the terms 10 raised to the power. That's why we prefer scientific calculator. Okay, thank you so much, Basam. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Okay, then I'm moving towards Inshra. Inshra from 10C. Turn on your mic. Inshra, turn on your mic, beta. Okay, then help me to solve the question further. ठीक है जनाब. Okay, now this is your next question. Tell me what to do. Beta, you have to join my session again. ठीक है? After completing 40 minutes, the time will out of this Zoom, so you have to join my session again. Okay then.
Ma'am, इसमें number of waves.
Okay, number of waves are given. So I'm writing number of waves passed through the point equals to 100 waves. Then
और wavelength mention की हुई है.
wavelength mention
6
की हुई है.
centimeter.
This is
6
wavelength.
centimeter.
Okay, now is there any term related to time? Read
Yes,
the first
ma'am,
line. Total time. Is this time period or the total time?
Ma'am,
Now
time for
total
waves
time.
है ये.
Because this is about 100 waves. याद रखिएगा, if they are saying that 100 waves are passing through the system in this time, so this is total time. Keep in your mind. And if they say that one wave is passing, so this is called time period. Time period is the time duration of one wave. Now they are talking about 100 wave. That's why we are saying this is total time. So the total time, small t is equals to 20 seconds. Then wavelength is equals to 6 centimeter. What I'm doing further? Why I'm writing 10 into 10 raised to the power minus 2?
मैम क्योंकि 6 को 100 से डिवाइड किया है इसलिए.
6 को 100 से डिवाइड किया है, so we can express the term as well, that we can put the value of centi here. ठीक है, this may be 0.06 meter, or we can write 6 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter, because here we are putting the value of centi. ठीक है, then this is our requirement. We have to find frequency and wave speed and the time period as well. It means that we have to find 3 factors. Okay, Inshira, then tell me further what I am going to.
मैम फ्रीक्वेंसी फाइंड करने के लिए नंबर ऑफ वेव्स डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल टाइम और फिर इसमें वैल्यूज फाइंड करें.
Put karungi, then the final answer is 5 hertz. Okay, then tell me what should be the next formula?
मैम टाइम का टोटल टाइम स्पीड का जो फॉर्मूला होगा
Time speed का formula? No.
वो
तो याद रखिएगा, if we have the value of frequency, then we can take the reciprocal of frequency, and according to the definition of reciprocal, the time period is the reciprocal of frequency. ठीक है, तो देख सकते हैं formula. This is very simplest formula for you. ठीक है, if we have the formula, if we have the value of frequency, then just put it once, then we have the final answer. Time period is equal to 0.2 seconds. Is it okay, Inshra? Or is there any
Yes, ma'am.
confusion? Okay, then I'm moving further. We have the formula of wave equation. This is called V equals to half lambda wave equation. I'm just multiplying the term. 5 is the answer. 5 is the, I think so, total time. That was the total time. Frequency is 5 Hz. Okay. Then I'm writing the value of lambda, any wavelength. This is 6 into 10 to the power minus 2, and the final answer is 0.3 meter per second. Okay. Is there any problem in this question, Inshra?
No, miss.
Okay, then no, I'm moving further. Okay, then I want to take help from any other student. Yes, please. Who wants to help me? Yes, Hanzala. Do you want to talk to me? Maviz Asghar, please turn on your mic. Maviz? No, not always the same students. Yes, I am moving towards Sayyid Ahmed from 10th F. Sayyid Ahmed from 10th F. Ahmed Ali.
Yes, miss.
Yes, beta, help me to solve this question. Yes, read it.
Yes, miss. A wooden bar vibrating into the water surface in a ripple tank has a frequency of 12 Hz. This data में सबसे पहले frequency लिखते हैं.
Okay, now I'm writing here frequency, which is representing by F equals to 12 Hz. Further.
उसके बाद में the resulting wave has a wavelength of 3 centimeter. Miss wavelength 3 centimeter लिखते हैं.
Okay, then further.
Miss फिर 2 find आ जाएगा.
Okay, then we have to find what? We have to find
Yes, miss.
speed.
Velocity. Yes, miss. Solution में आ जाएगा velocity is equals to.
It means that this is
frequency
very,
into
very
wavelength.
simplest. This is the simplest question ever, beta. We have to just use the formula V equals to F lambda. We have to put values and we have final answer. Okay, then Ahmed, stay with me and solve 10.7 as well.
A transfer wave produced on a spring has a frequency of 190 Hz. में सबसे पहले frequency लिख देंगे.
Frequency 190. Okay.
And travels along the length of the spring of 90 meters.
Okay.
90 meter length
90
of the
meter.
spring.
Okay.
और में time आ जाएगा 0.5 seconds.
Okay, then tell me, this is total time or time period?
This is total time.
Total time. So the total time is represented with a small t because they are talking about the number of waves. ठीक है. Okay, then what is our requirement? Is this our
If you have to
requirement?
find the time.
Time,
Yes, miss. The
speed,
velocity
then
and the wavelength.
wavelength. Okay, then tell me further about solution.
Yes, yes, yes. मिस हम लोग डेटा में जी भी लिख सकते हैं. मिस इस तरह से हम लोग टाइम का फॉर्मूला कर लेंगे या
Okay, very good, very good, Ahmed.
अपन के फॉर्मूला से भी कर सकते हैं.
Okay, then the final answer of t is 0.1 second and
मिस
why I'm using
मिस
this
वैसे
formula?
आंसर अगर हम देख
हाँ.
मिस वैसे से आंसर छोटा भी आ सकता है मगर हम लोग इतना ही लेते हैं क्योंकि मिस ये फिर ज्यादा बहुत ज्यादा यूनिट्स को
याद रखिएगा, when you will take the answer of 1 divided by 190, so it will be equal to 0.005. But we have to take the approximated value because we know that we can't measure less than 0.05 by our stopwatch even. ठीक है? So this is the least count, 0.01 second. So then okay, now tell me further why I'm using this formula V equals to d by t.
मिस वेलोसिटी में मिस डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम इसलिए यूज किया क्योंकि हमारा वेवलेंथ लैम्डा है.
Okay, then tell me. Okay, Ahmed, tell me, can't we use here wave equation?
मिस हम लोग वो इक्वेशन यूज नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि वेवलेंथ नहीं है हमारे पास.
Wavelength नहीं है. Okay, very good. ठीक है. So it means that we will use the formula of class 9 V equals to d by t. Distance is 90 and time is 0.5. So the final answer is beta 180 meter per second. ठीक है. Further. Okay, now after this now. ठीक है.
Yes,
Okay, because
v divide by f हो जाएगा is equal to lambda.
Okay, then we are rearranging the formula to find lambda. This is v over f and final answer is 0.95 meter. Okay, Janab. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ahmed. Chale, Janab. Okay, then tell me then what we are doing in next question. Yes, Hussain.
मिस यहाँ पर हमें वेवलेंथ और फ्रीक्वेंसी बता दी है और हमें रिक्वायर्ड
Read the question properly. Read the question
Time period.
properly. Read the words of question properly. This is water wave in a shallow dish of 6 centimeter. What is this?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the question properly. Water waves in a shallow dish are 6 centimeter long. What is this? What to write in data? Yes, Suzanne.
Wavelength.
This is wavelength. Wavelength is equals to 0.06 meter. Or if we are converting 6 centimeters, so it means that we are dividing it by 100. Then we have the final answer 0.06. Then tell me why there is a requirement to convert in meter. Hussain, why we are converting value in
Because
meter? Yes, please.
because that this is in centimeter,
This is in
and
centimeter.
all the values
should be in SI system. Okay, we want to deal
Yes,
with all the values in SI system because this is our requirement that we will use all the units belong to SI system. Okay, then tell me what I'm writing in next one. What is this? This is the
frequency.
frequency is equal to 4.8 hertz. Okay, now in the question they are saying oscillation per second, but I'm writing all but I'm oscillation per second, but I'm writing hertz. What is this? Why I'm doing this? Oscillation per second means what?
Miss,
Oscillation per second means
it's
what?
mean,
But I have already told you in lecture that if somewhere is written cycles per second, oscillation per second, vibration per second, or hertz, it means that all terms are same because these words are telling you the definition of frequency. Oscillation per second क्या कहलाता है? Frequency तो कहलाता है. Frequency के फटाफट हमने यहाँ पे यूनिट लिख दी है. Now this is hertz. ठीक है, बोलो.
सारे इक्वल होते हैं ना.
हाँ, एक ही बात है. Oscillation, take the concept. Oscillation per second, vibration per second, or the number of waves per second is called frequency. All are same, so I'm writing here hertz. Okay, then our requirement is to find time. In the first one, sorry, in the second B part we have to find time, and in the first one we have to find the speed of the wave. Okay, we are using here the formula of wave equation. Why we are using the formula of wave equation? Hussain? Yes, Hussain.
Because we does not have any
we have the value of frequency, we have value of wavelength. That's why to find out the value of wave speed, we are using this formula, and the final answer is 0.29 meter per second. Okay, Hussain, tell me about the next formula. We want to find the value of time period, and tell me the formula. Yes, please.
1 upon f.
1 over f. Okay, this is the very simplest formula to find out the value of time period. This is C equals to 1 over f, and the answer is 1 over 4.8. Yes, Sharmeen wants to ask something. Wait for a while. Yes, Sharmeen. Yes, beta. Where are you? Yes, Sharmeen, do you want to ask something?
मिस फ्रीक्वेंसी की वैल्यू में ऊपर तो क्वेश्चन में सेंटीमीटर लिखा हुआ है, वैसे हमें
जी बोलो.
मिस
जी बोलो.
मिस इससे हमने फ्रीक्वेंसी की वैल्यू में हैजर्ड्स लगाया है, ऊपर तो सेंटीमीटर लिखा है.
हर्ट्स लगाया हुआ है. ठीक है, तो नहीं, मैं ये वाली वैल्यू नहीं लिख रहे हैं, दोबारा से देखिएगा. उन्होंने कहा है कि वेव्स आर 6 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग, सो दिस 6 सेंटीमीटर इज लॉन्ग इज शोइंग द वेवलेंथ ऑफ वेव. ठीक है, और लिखा हुआ है वेव्स आर मूविंग एट द रेट जब भी बात करेंगे ना, सो दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी, और द वैल्यू ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी इज गिवन एज दिस इज 4.8 ऑसिलेशन पर सेकंड और वाइब्रेशन पर सेकंड, साइकिल्स पर सेकंड, or you can say number of waves per second. All are the definitions of frequency. So I am writing here 4.8 hertz. You can write oscillation, OSC per second as well. Sahi hai Sharmeen? That's okay? Okay, Janab. Chale, okay, now I am moving towards Hussain again. Yes, help me Hussain to further solve it.
मैम अभी इसका फॉर्मूला लगा लिया, अब इसका आंसर निकाल लेंगे.
Answer is 0.21 second. Okay, then.
0.21 seconds.
Okay, Hussain, help me to further solve the next question. Yes, read this one.
At the end of a ripple tank, 80 centimeter across.
Okay, now
tell
me. Okay, now tell me what is this? What is this 80 centimeter across? First of all, tell me what is this 80 centimeter across? What to write in data?
Length of a ripple tank.
Length of ripple tank लिख देंगे बिल्कुल. Length of ripple tank equals to 0.8 meter. Okay, very good. Why I am writing 0.8?
और मैं इसको सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में
Very good, Hussain. Very good, beta. Okay, then tell me further.
Your frequency.
Frequency 5 hertz. Okay, then.
And wavelength is equals to
40 millimeter.
और millimeter इसको मीटर में कर देंगे.
मीटर में कर देंगे.
0.04.
Okay, as the data is showing that 40 millimeter is equals to 0.04 meter. I'm dividing the term with 1000. Okay. Okay. Then this is our requirement. We have to find the total time needed to cross the tank. जहाँ पे भी total time आएगा बेटा, you have to use the formula of class 9. This is V equals to D by T. D by T में T इधर कर लोगे, V इधर कर लोगे. So we will use that formula. Okay. Now moving towards the solution. Why I'm using first wave equation to find out the value of V? Yes, Hussein.
Because miss, we does not have a
We
value
don't have
of
V.
miss,
ठीक है, we don't.
क्योंकि
जी जी.
have V miss because क्योंकि ये V की वैल्यू इसमें इस्तेमाल हो रही है उसके टाइम के टोटल टाइम के फॉर्मूले.
Very good, Hussein. Okay, then V equals to 0.2 meter per second, and after that we are using the same formula as the Hussein is saying that we should have the value of V. So that's why first of all we are finding the value of V, then we will putting in the next formula. First of all, we are arranging the formula for T. T equals to D by V, and after putting all the values, after calculating the answer, its final answer is 4 seconds. Okay, Hussein, then help me. Okay, then I'm moving towards any other student. Yes, not the same one. Thank you so much, Uta. Yes, I want to talk to Fasiullah from 10th A. Fasiullah from 10th A. Fasi?
Yes, miss.
Ji beta, help me to solve this question. Read the question, please.
What is the wavelength of radio wave transmitted by any FM station?
Okay, now they are asking the value of wavelength. It means that lambda find out karna. Okay, further.
At 90 MHz.
MHz, what is this? MHz. Hertz. As we know that Hz is the unit of frequency, hertz. What is M?
पता नहीं.
सोचो ना M क्या है? 90 MHz. Beta, recall class 9. M is representing the value of mega.
Megahertz.
ठीक है, megahertz. ठीक है, very good. Okay, 90 megahertz. So it means that this is 90 into 10 raised to the power. 10 raised to the power what? Fasi? Tell me the value of mega.
10 raised to the power.
क्या होती है? 6. Micro 10 raised to the power minus 6. Mega 10 raised to the power positive 6. ठीक है जनाब, चलें कोई बात नहीं है, हमने रिकॉल कर लिया मेमोरी. Okay, then we are moving further. We are writing data. Frequency 90 megahertz, and I'm writing 90 into 10 raised to the power 6. Further, the value of wave speed. Then what have to find, Fasi?
Miss, हमें wavelength.
Wavelength find out करनी. Okay, then tell me what is the symbol of wavelength?
Miss, lambda का होता है.
क्या होता है? Lambda. Lambda is the symbol of wavelength. Then formula V equals to F lambda. Same formula.
Yes, miss.
Okay, then we are rearranging it first. After that, we are putting the values in the formula, and we have the final answer. This is 3.33 meter. Okay, now beta, in this PPT, I'm showing you the questions from your 5 year as well. TK belong to chapter number 10. याद रखिएगा, keep in your mind, there are some extra questions are coming in paper as well. TK, these questions were not the part of your paper, were not the part of your chapter, but now they are asking extra questions from you. Okay, and they are saying if the time for 20 vibrations is 100 seconds, and I want to talk to Izhan Iqbal now. Turn off your mic, Fasi. For distortion है, चले कोई बात नहीं. Yes, Izhan Iqbal. Izhan, beta, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, help me to solve this question. This is a little bit different one.
Yes, ma'am.
Ji, tell me, what should I write in data?
Ma'am, एक minute.
कहीं से देखने की जरूरत नहीं है, यही सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है. No,
ma'am.
बेटा एक कोई बात नहीं, I am helping you. आप बताते जाएं. If the time for 20 vibrations, what does it mean 20 vibration?
Wavelength.
Wavelength होती है 20 vibrations. Izhan Iqbal.
Frequency.
Vibrations. These are number of vibrations. This is not frequency. याद रखिएगा अगर frequency होगी ना तो ऐसे लिखा हुआ होगा vibration per second. Now they are saying you 20 vibrations, so it means that 20 vibrations. So it means that they are giving you number of waves, number of vibrations, number of cycles, number of oscillations. इतनी सारी terms बता रही हूँ मैं आपको. So the number of vibrations here 20 vibrations. So I'm writing 20 VIV लिख दिया short करके, waves भी लिख सकते हो. And after that we are taking total time t of 100 seconds here. So is there any problem in this question further?
No, ma'am.
Okay, with data, then I'm moving further. Okay, then tell me, what should we find?
Time period.
Okay, first of all time period, then we have to find frequency.
Frequency.
Then tell me, what is the formula of time period and frequency? Any
T
idea?
is equals to 2 pi L into G.
No, I'm using the formula of number of vibrations. याद रखिएगा, this question is not about simple pendulum. Keep in your mind, this question is not about simple pendulum nor about mass spring system. This question is simply about waves. So for all those type of questions which belong to wave, you will use the formula of frequency, number of vibrations over time taken, and for the time period you will use T equals to 1 over F. That's it. आपने उन formulas की तरफ नहीं जाना, उन formulas को नहीं सोचना. याद रखें, if the system is simple pendulum, you will use T equals to 2 pi under root L over G. And if the system is mass spring system, you will use T is equals to 2 pi under root M over K. But this is the simplest question about waves only. So you will use formula of frequency, number of waves per time, and you will use the next formula, T equals to 1 over F. Is it clear, Izhan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I'm moving further. Help me to further solve it. Yes, Izhan?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm putting the values in it. Okay.
20 ma'am, 1 over 5 answer है.
1 over 5 answer है. When we will further solve it, 0.2 hertz. Then tell me further what I'm doing in next step.
1 over 0 and
0.2. हाँ बिल्कुल. The reason is that because our answer of frequency is 0.2. That's why we are putting 1 by 0.2 and the final answer is 5 seconds. ठीक है, that's it. Izhan, is there any problem in this question further?
No, ma'am.
Okay, but I want to continue with you. In the next question. Okay, then tell me. Help me to write the data. याद रखिएगा, keep in your mind, this question is about spring mass system. ठीक है, so you have to choose the formula accordingly. जी जनाब.
Ma'am, mass 50 gram.
Okay, mass 50 gram है. देख लेते हैं. Mass is 50 gram. Then why I'm converting the value in kg?
Because मैम अगर किलोग्राम में होता तो किलोग्राम करते हैं, सिचुएशन देख के सॉल्व करते हैं. ग्राम हो तो किलोग्राम तो ग्राम.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ध्यान, याद रखें. ठीक है, we will use values only with the SI system, only in the SI system. That's why we will convert all the units in SI system first. This is our first step. ये सबसे पहले SI system में, and the unit of mass in SI system is kg. That's why we are converting the value from gram to kilogram. 50 G था आपके पास, you are dividing the value with 1000, then it is converting into kg. Then the answer is 0.05 kg. That's okay, Izhan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Izhan. Now I'm giving you a value 20 gram. बताओ क्या करूँ? कैसे change करूँगी?
20 divided by 1000.
20 divided by 1000. Then the answer. Okay, Izhan. Very good. Then then tell me further.
Constant is equals to nm 10 nm minus.
Okay, then this constant is called spring constant. Spring
Yes.
constant, याद रखिएगा, the system is a spring mass system, so they are dealing with spring mass system. ठीक है, so they are dealing with K. K is the spring constant and the value of K is 10 Newton per meter. 10 Newton per meter ये आपको दी हुई है. ठीक है जनाब. उसके बाद देखो what is our requirement?
Period and time period and frequency.
Time period and frequency find out करनी है. ठीक है, time period check करें, ये रहा. Frequency ये देखें हमने मालूम करना. Then we have the solution. The time period is given by T equals to 2 pi under root M over K. This is a different formula, I think so. This question
Yes.
is not belongs to your exercise. ठीक है,
Yes.
and the formula is T equals to 2 pi under root M over K. Why I am showing this question to you? Because this is a part of your 5 year. Keep in your
Yes,
mind.
क्योंकि मैम इस क्वेश्चन में mass given था ना.
Mass given है, K given है, ठीक है. So you have to, so you can find the values very easily. ठीक है, so put the values here. Then क्या कर रही हूँ?
0.4 0.05.
Okay, Zan, very good. Then the final answer is 0.44 second. Beta, you have to solve all the questions yourself. You have to check all the values yourself, whether the answers are right or wrong. साथ साथ मेरे जो है वो calculate करना है. साथ नहीं कर सकते कोई बात नहीं. इसके बाद कर लीजिएगा. And after that, discuss with me. If you are facing any difficulties in any difficulty in numerical, then discuss with me. ठीक है. And then tell me. Next is about the formula of frequency. उसके बाद क्या किया हुआ है
मैम
जान?
1/0.44
Okay, then the final answer is
फर्दर सॉल्व करके आंसर आ जाएगा।
आंसर आ जाएगा। ठीक है जनाब। Any question further? Any question is on? Beta, if you have any
ma'am.
confusion, then you can ask to me. You
Ma'am,
may
एक
raise your
question है।
hand. You may. Yes,
मैम
Izan.
मेगाहर्ट्ज कब लगता है?
बेटा याद रखिएगा,
क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ।
they can give you any value. They can give you microhertz. They can give you gigahertz. They can give you nanohertz. आपको कुछ भी दे सकते हैं. But the requirement is that before solving any numerical, you have to convert all the values in SI system. आप सोचोगे कि frequency की unit ऐसे system में क्या होती है? आप कहेंगे hertz. तो बेटा मेगा रिमूव करना, आपने मेगा रिमूव करेंगे. हाउ यू विल रिमूव मेगा? जस्ट बाय प्लेसिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ मेगा, एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ मेगा इज 10 raised to the power 6. Okay, then Izan, tell me, if I will give you the value with microhertz, आप क्या करोगे?
मेगा रिमूव कर दूंगा उसकी।
मेगा नहीं, माइक्रो. मैंने कहा लिखा हुआ है 12.
माइक्रो रिमूव कर दूं।
माइक्रो रिमूव कैसे करोगे? टेल मी द वैल्यू ऑफ माइक्रो.
उसकी जगह रिप्लेस कर देंगे।
रिप्लेस कर दूंगी. टेल मी द वैल्यू ऑफ माइक्रो.
10/6 या 4।
6 तो मेगा की होती है ना. 6 मेगा की होती है बेटा. याद रखिएगा, the value of micro is 10 raised to the power -6. Izan, you have to learn all the prefixes as well बेटा. साथ साथ में जितनी prefixes हैं, it is important for your practice कि अगर आपने prefixes किए तो आप numericals को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से कर सकते हैं. चलिए जनाब, that's all from my side. Okay, then I'm moving further. This is your homework that you have to note down all the numericals in your fair copy. And if you are feeling any difficulty in it, then feel free to ask to me, and you have to solve all the numericals, and plus you have to solve all the solved examples too. Okay, thank you so much. This is all from my side. Okay, thank you so much.